require. Sorry, I am just starting the recording. Okay. Okay, so today we are going to learn the basics actually. We'll see the topics that we are going to cover today. So this is everything is planned here. Basics we'll cover, insights we'll cover, basis of stock, and we'll try to understand the Nifty index, and as and when we will go into the class, we'll see the risk system, how we should use the beta. So I'm just not wasting much time. We'll just starting the basics of stock market. Okay, what is the base? We will try to clear it, and then we'll go to the middle part. Basics of capital market. This we'll learn today. So this is just a layman example. This is a person actually who wants to start his new business. Okay, and suppose this is, we can tell ABC company. Okay, he just want to start his own business, and he has started also. For some year, for after some point of the time, he needs money actually to grow the business, or any business need actually. There can be different business needs of the person. Okay, the first need is that whether he wants to expand the business. Okay, business expansion is required. Expansion of business. See, the need is that to raise funds. Okay, the question is that with him, after after a certain point of time, after let's say 4 or 5 years actually, after and if you will ask from me what business he is doing, we can tell that he is into textile business. Let's say, okay, he is just selling clothes actually. So this ABC company is into the textile business. After some year down the line, 4 or 5 years, he just wants to raise money. Okay, so there can be different reasons. One of the reason is business expansion. He wants to expand his business. Okay. Second reason is that he wants to connect with the IT. There is no IT infrastructure as such. He just wants to expand, and for that he needs money. Only then he can go into big IT, and he can create some apps or web pages for his clients. Okay, so he needs money. Other reason is that he can have a loan which he wants to pay. Yes, there can be a loan on this company which they want to pay the loan repayment. Okay. Third thing is that yes, there can be plan actually in which he wants to do buyback of other company. So there should be a reason why he wants. He don't want to do a party actually for that money. He has some valid reason which he wants to do. Okay, so now when there is reason, there are different options also in front of him how he should raise the money actually. Okay. So now we will see the options in which is lies with him to raise the money. Okay, so there are various options is there in front of the ABC company. We'll just try to see the various options what is available in front of him. Can you just open your Zoom and see if you can see my screen? Launch waiting is coming, but it's not coming. It is not launching. Okay, it is fine. So see, he can go to bank actually. See, this is the first source of any person who wants money for any reason. The first thing which comes in his mind is he need to approach the bank and to ask money. He can go to the bank and he can raise money. Okay, and what are the other options which is having with the ABC company? Okay, he can go to any HNI. HNI, I mean high net worth individual. Okay, he can go to them and he can ask money. See, there are various people who have money actually with them. We call them HNI. Okay, and they invest in the company which wants to raise money, and they will they will give money and they will tell that we need some shares in your business, like the profit that you will learn after taking money from us. At least we need some share. So some part they will decide. So they will become the stakeholders of the company. Okay, so he can go to them and he can ask money from them. So there are various people now who who give money to various companies and they become the stakeholders in those companies. In the same way, he can go to HNI and he can ask me that Baba, I have some business needs, so I want to expand my business. Just give me money so that I can start to do my work. Okay, so see, two options we saw. See, there are some pension funds also which give money to the good companies. See, these pension funds actually, you have some pension plans. There are some private firms which are having the pension plans. Okay, they also give money to these companies who want to raise money because they are also keen to invest in the startups actually, which can grow and their wealth can grow, their client wealth can grow. Okay, so these are the various options in front of the ABC company where he can go and he can ask money from them. Okay, so okay, so and then which are the other options? Okay, so these are the major options which is in front of him. See, now any and also there are some venture capitalists, VC actually, venture capitalists. See, there are some companies who are providing the initial seeds to the various startups which needs money. Okay, they call them venture capitalists. So they will also invest in the company with certain percentage of stake they will ask. Because we are giving you money, you need money, so we need some profit in your company. Like if you saw the Naukri has given a seed to Zomato and they have taken the stake in Zomato and now then they have came with the app. So these are called the venture capitalists. Or either they can take loan from B2B, like they can take a loan from one other company, business to business. Like I have told you the example of Zomato. Okay, when they were needing money, they went to Naukri. Naukri is a portal, a job searching portal. Yeah. And they have taken some mistake and they told, okay, you need money, you will use B2B, they can go. See, either of the option, this ABC company will go, they have to give two things actually. Okay. Business to business. See, this is one business. This is one business, and they are asking loan with other business, B2B business. Okay, other business. So, see, these are apart from this, there can be multiple options also available. See, we are only talking about the major options here. Okay. See, any of the option which ABC company will go and will source money. They have to give two things here actually. These two things have to be given by them and they cannot hide, they cannot escape. What are these two things? We'll see actually. Okay, the first thing is that whether they have to give is that they have to repay back the principal amount. Suppose ABC company have taken a loan of 1 crore, they have to pay back the principal amount. They cannot escape from this, and also they have to pay the interest. They cannot escape from this actually. Either of the two things they cannot escape. They have to pay. See, any of the month ABC company will tell this month I am in loss or this quarter I am in loss. These people will not listen. They want their all principal and interest back on proper time, and also they have to give every month. They cannot escape. They can tell that we have the issue. They can ask for escape for a few months actually, but they cannot tell that we will not pay. If they will not pay, see, some loans are secured loans in which they will tell that you have to keep the property papers or your company was with us. When you will pay back our amount, we will give you back. Some are called the unsecured loans. See, unsecured loans for high amount are not given actually because everybody need assurance. If they are approaching the bank cannot give them on blind faith. See, nowadays so many frauds are happening. No one will give on certain blind phase. Whoever is the person, Dhirubhai Ambani will also come, Tata will also come. They want some security with them because unsecured loan for large amount they cannot give it. And for them, it can cost them. So they cannot escape from these two things actually. So this is one of the options that we saw: principal amount and the interest they have to pay. Okay. So you got the logic, right? See, we are starting from the seeds actually. So this is, we just trying to create a seed in you, okay, so that you understand the logic, and in the end, we will make everything. Okay, so I will be. You do one thing actually. At the end of class, you share your email ID. I think I have the email ID CJ Truck House. Do you accept that? No. So you can tell me your. You can just message me on WhatsApp. So I will be, sharing everything with you on. And also these are recording one, but sign in is asking email ID and password. Okay, fine, fine. Your email ID and password. Zoom. I don't have. Oh, you need Zoom? No. You can log in from your Gmail account also. Oh. You can come down. You can just select your this one account, Gmail account, and then you can do it. But on WhatsApp, you can share at the end of the class. I will just note down all the slides and then I will be sharing with you. Okay, so one option we saw that they can go to the second party or third party and they can raise funds for their business. Okay, there is second option also. We are coming now to the capital market. Okay, so this I will be deleting. Okay, and I have taken all the things on these slides. Okay, these slides I'm keeping on the email, this one, and I will be sharing at the end of the day. Right, very trend. I'll do one thing. I'll just make a folder for you and I will be keep saving it. And then I will be sharing at once, no issues. See, second option is that it is fine, no issues. Don't worry, you focus on the class. I have everything. Yeah. We will see. Okay. See, the second option is that actually, they can go into the capital market and they can raise money here. Okay. We'll see the various options in front of them. But there are certain steps that they have to follow. Okay. They can go here and they can easily raise money from here. Okay. Now, most of the companies nowadays are opting for this option, capital market option, because why? There are two things that is in front of them. Okay, the first thing is that if they are raising funds from capital market, they do not have to return back the principal amount. Okay, principal amount, just ignore the spellings, and they do not have to return back the interest actually. Both the things they will escape, they will not pay. They do not have the burden that if they are not making profit, okay, then some person will come and it will squeeze their collar, give my money back. They do not have this burden actually. The only thing is that if they are raising money from capital market, they only have to pay the dividend. Dividend will learn what are those, just you can keep in your mind. Okay, dividends are given out of the profit. Suppose if company is earning 100 rupees, okay, it will tell that I want to distribute 10 percentage out of my total profit. It means 10 rupees. Okay, and if there are 10 people, then 10 divided by 10, it means 1 rupees each will distribute. And this is also, it is not compulsory. If in case they are earning, if in case they are earning loss, then they do not need to pay dividend. So they do not have any additional burden on their head actually. Okay, so most of the companies, if you will see Zomato, Paytm, these are all the loss-making companies. They have just raised money from capital market. And what reason they were giving? We want to repay our loan. So they do not have a burden in their mind because this is the best way. But there are some reasons actually which how they should approach actually. Okay. So this we will learn. So now there are two ways that we have saw. Okay. I hope things are clearing to you. Now, whenever they want to raise money, there are some exchanges which they can use. Okay, we'll see the type of exchanges. So, there are various global exchanges, I will say national exchanges, and also there are certain regional exchanges. Okay, so, but I had you heard about NSC or BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange, NSC, National Stock Exchange. Okay, these are the regional exchanges. We'll just learn what is the role of there actually in the capital market, and then we will just see. Okay, so these are the major exchanges. I'm just talking about. See, there is also Bangalore Stock Exchange. There is also, I think, some regional Calcutta Stock Exchange. Many regional also is there. Gujarat Stock Exchange. But the two major is the NSC, that is the National Stock Exchange, and the first was Sensex actually, which is the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSC. Okay, two. So this is I am just taking for the Bombay BSC. That is the full form is Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay, it close. I think it is. It will manage. Okay, I'll just tell you. Okay, so TK. Okay, and this is the NSC, National Stock Exchange. Okay. See, Bombay Stock Exchange, they also called Sensex. It is in Bombay. It was the first stock exchange which was, helping the firms so that they can raise capital in the capital market. Okay, and then we have the national stock that is in Delhi. They tell the Nifty actually in the short form. Nifty. This is the Sensex, Bombay Stock Exchange. Okay, and this is the Nifty, National Stock Exchange, NSE. Okay, so see, this is a pair of 30 stock in this actually. We will just see, just you can just make it, and this is the pair of 50. Okay, major 50 stocks are having in this Nifty. We will see in detail. Okay, we will see in detail what are these. We'll see in detail. Okay, just hold on. Okay, it is an auto start. See, it is just, if it is too cold, then it will close and then it will open again. See, if any company wants to raise money via these stock exchanges, there is a process. Okay, I will explain you in detail 30 and 50. You just keep in mind because this is just I'm just creating a base for you. Okay, they have to list their share with this exchange. List, it means these companies are allowing them to list with themselves to become a member. Like same actually, I will tell you what happens is that if you heard about Mahindra Holidays? Mahindra Holidays. If you want to enjoy their rooms and if you want to go for any plan leaves and wants to stay with them, you have to become a member. Right? They have some package actually. Right. 2,50,000, 3 lakh, something for 1 year, 2 years, you can come and you can enjoy with your, family and all. So you can become a member and then you can enjoy, right? In the same way, actually, if the ABC company wants to raise money in capital market, okay, via these exchanges, these major exchanges, they have to become a member. Okay, for becoming a member, there are certain norms actually. Certain rules are there that has to be fulfilled by them, and then they can become a member. Okay. Yes. So there are certain norms that you should be in genuine business. Okay, when you are telling that you want funds, you should have valid reason. You cannot tell that we want to enjoy it. Okay, we will help you. See, now why they want to become a member? See, you will take Mahindra holidays. Why you will take? Because they will give you the facilities. They have good homes actually where you can go with your family and you can enjoy there. In the same way, this exchange is helping them to raise the money from the people because various people are trading with these exchanges. Why are these exchanges actually? Okay, name a company, any company, Reliance actually, TCS, Wipro, Infosys. There are various companies, big Bank of Baroda, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank. These companies are listed here. That means they have registered. They have registered when they were needing money. They are becoming the member of these exchanges because these exchanges have helped them to raise money from people. See, you want to do anything, there is certain source to do it actually. Okay, there is certain source. Like if you nowadays actually, if you want to open your bank account, you should have your Aadhaar card actually. You should have your Aadhaar card actually. Without Aadhaar card, you cannot write in a piece of paper and you can tell my name is this, accept this. Nobody will believe. Anyone can come and anything and my name is this. Who will believe? No one will believe. So there is a way in which somebody should believe you. You will go to the government of India and you will tell them make my ID. When government of India will write in a piece of paper, then people will believe you. So this is the way where people should trust and believe you. Where you will go? You will go to the exchange body only. These are the exchange which is governed by government only. Okay. If you will not go to the exchange and if company will sit on the road and shout, I need money, who will give them money? No one will give them. They have to become a member. So in order to become a member, so you getting the phase, right? Yeah. So this is the first phase actually. Understand it very, very clearly. Any doubt you ask from me. Stop me, I will clear. Huh? Yeah. See, now once they will become the member of this, so before becoming a member, people trust them actually. So company which want to raise money, they should be genuine. Any ABCD, some Dina Pharma company, they cannot come and they cannot tell we need money. They will ask some financial proof. What is your source of income? How you are earning? Show us your records. In all these years, what you have done, why you want money, what business you are, what is your future plan, who are the founders actually, who has built up this company. Everything they want to know actually. And then we will allow them and they will charge certain fees per year, certain fees they will charge from a company so that they can be member. So and also they have to every quarterly they have to submit their financial report to the exchanges. You have to be the member of Nifty or Sense. See, either they can be the member of both NSE and BSE or either both. See, Reliance is listed on both. Certain companies are there which are listed only in NSE. Certain companies are
If we
listed.
listed in nationally, then it does not come direct.
See, actually, see the thing is that there are two major exchanges in India. One is called the BSC, second is called the NSC. Two major exchanges which we have to know. Okay. See, the more they are there in both the exchanges, the more they are there in the eyes of the people. The more people will trust them actually. See, it is the same actually. You have the two ID card like passport and Aadhaar card. See, now it is a valid proof. Oh, passport is also there. Okay, so see, both are same actually, but they are the two different bodies. One is there in Mumbai because one has been started in long back. First was the exchange which is started was the Mumbai Sensex, Bombay Stock Exchange, and then after certain years, National Stock Exchange has started in Delhi. So in both, if they are listing, it is relevant. Otherwise, they can become member in one exchange also. It is not an issue. Okay, clear? Is it giving cooling?
No.
I think there is some issue. Hmm. Might be there's some issue. I'll just check. Okay. So ABC company will go and will become a member. Okay. So now when they will become a member, then there will be a green light for them. Now you can raise money. Okay, this is where their journey will start. I will just see what is this slide. 2. Okay. So this is 3. Now after they will check all everything, they will check, they will allow them, okay, now you can raise money. So there is a process. Okay. Process is that first you go with the IPO. Okay. Now after suppose both the if ABC wants to raise money from both the exchange as I have told you. Okay. National Stock Exchange and Bombay Stock Exchange. They will tell there is a okay. They will check their all records, financials, and they will allow them to raise money. And now the first step is come. They will go with the IPO. Okay, IPO. This is the first process where they will be allowing to raise a capital. They will talk. They will raise money directly from the people. Actually, they can talk and they can give their ads. So how it will go? We will just okay. This is an IPO process. Initial public offering.
Okay, IPO?
That's why I'm explaining.
No,
Initial public offering. Initial public offering. See, you can just see by verse only. Initially, you go to the public and offer them. See what they are offering actually here. If they are telling we need money, what is their business company are keen to know? Because they are raising money from just hold on. Just 2 minutes. Hello. अच्छा रुको रुको 1 मिनट 1 year. Okay, so this is the initial public offering. Okay, this is the shares they are offering to the public first. Okay, IPO. So what they will do is that they will give ad in the newspaper. See, nowadays what happens is that for spreading your news, they are going to the news channels and they are telling that this is the company we are coming with the IPO and we want to raise funds from you. Okay, and the shares will be listed in, because first they will take the approval. Exchange will approve them and then they will tell, okay, now you can raise money from me. Okay, so they will tell, and they will fix a band actually. They will tell, see, we have a band where you can bid. Okay, they will just fix a band. Let's say this example, ABC company will fix a band between 15 rupees to 20 rupees. See, there is a limit of fixing a lower price band and lower and upper price band. See, the people have to bid. They will tell our, the minimum bracket is 5% is there to keep. Okay, so they will keep a bracket for this. They will tell in this bracket you will bid actually. See, now this is will be a lottery system. Okay, this is the lottery system that they will do, because what happens is that, suppose for example, there will be two things that will be decided here. The first thing is that how much money ABC company wants. Okay, and how much share they want to give. Suppose they want to raise 1 crore, 1 CR, this company. Okay, and they want to give only 10,000 shares. Understood? It means they only want 10,000 people to trade in their shares. They only want 10,000 people so that they can raise 1 crore rupees from them. Okay, as per that only they will fix a price then. If, for example, in this bidding, 50,000 people will apply, it means excess of 40,000. See, they only want to allot 10,000 equity shares. 10,000 equity shares. Okay, and they want to raise 1 crore rupees. But and if 50,000 people will apply, it means they have to do a lottery. Okay, so in this system, in this IPO, shares can, it can work in two ways actually. Either it can oversubscribed, like I have told you, they only want to allot 10,000 shares and 50,000 people are applying. This is oversubscription. Okay, this is the oversubscription. Either it can undersubscribe. Either they want to give 10,000 shares and you will see only 5,000 people are applying. Both the things can happen. Here, see, as per demand, had you heard LIC IPO is coming, life insurance IPO is coming actually, LIC IPO is coming. Will be coming some, yeah. Anyhow,
Uh, the company is having only 10,000 or they are having more.
see, now company only wants to sell 10,000 shares.
Totally how many they have? That's not fixed.
See, the more share will be there, the profit will be getting divided among them. See, what happens is that they can allot 20,000 shares also. It depends on them actually. See, this is what they are doing is that they are giving their equity. See, when they are giving their shares, they are making the equity shareholders. Okay, it means they will be the owner of the company. It means whatever the profit is there, they have to share with them. And whatever the loss is there, the shareholders will bear. But they do not have any commitment that they will return the amount to them or either they will give them a profit. It is just a matter of chance. It is a risk that these people will be taking. See, suppose if they will give 20,000 shares, 20,000, they can give actually, there is no issue. It means if tomorrow company will earn 50 lakhs rupees, suppose for example, so they have to divide in terms of dividend, suppose in 50 lakhs rupees, they will tell that we will give 50% dividend. 40 lakhs rupees we will distribute it. Okay. See, the more number of people will be there, the less bite everybody will get. See, 25 lakhs rupees if I divide into 10,000 rupees, and 25 lakhs rupees if I divide into 20,000 rupees. So less bite everybody. See, it is the same actually. A father is there. Okay, he is earning 100 rupees. He is having two kids. He told 50 percentage amount, whatever I am earning, I will distribute among the two kids. It means 50 rupees he will distribute. 50 rupees if he will divide between two, 25. If he is having four kids, again 50 rupees we will divide 12.5. Huh? So see, the more people are there, their shareholdings will become reduced. Actually. It is the same actually. So they can give. See, as per that, they will decide the price also. Actually. Okay, see, the banding is decided as per the financial of the company. If the financial, and there are some banks which is getting involved in that, they will do the valuation of the company and they will tell this should be your price band. In this, primarily you list your shares because you are earning this much of money in rupees and this is your price band which is coming. Okay. So there are certain, I don't know whether you have heard of investment banks are there. Okay, investment banks are there which will do the valuation of the whole company. See, this is a totally, this is not a certain thing you are selling kachori here. They are not selling kachori. This is a very serious business they are getting involved into. See why they are getting a chance to source money from the people. That too without any commitment. Company will tell you this is a risk you are taking, and your money can become zero also. Still, people will purchase. So people are also taking risk. And exchange is also because see if the company is not exchange name will it is a bad name to the exchange also. So everybody is getting involved, their image is also getting affected here. Okay, so everything they will calculate and then only they will do. But are you getting the face of it? Huh?
Yeah.
Right? So okay. So this is the fourth. I think third yes I've shared. Fourth, this is the one. Second. Okay. So fourth. Okay. Fourth and fifth. Okay, we'll just take a break of 10 minutes and then we'll start. Okay, you just relax and then we'll start again.